I was once told that I'm a bird of a different feather, and I believe them now. Call me Pippi and send me to Mars. Onward, Buttercup. Adventures must be had. And when one castle is not quite enough, oh, my lady, whatever shall you do? Well, there's only one thing to answer that with. You take two castles. Indeed. Take them on, take them on. You deserve them. It's true. Yes. For it is true that you are Belle tonight. And the beast is yours, my lady. The beast is yours. Take it well and in stride. Be strong and forthright. And sing thy little heart out. Run with your inner princess, girl. Run like the wind, good woman. Yes, yes, yes.